Here's how to show the animals in their natural habitat. This is like bringing the zoo to the classroom for real. So here we go. Here's Larry the lion. Now, when I want to see his video, I take my video card and I'll just place it right on the mat and it turns it into a video. And you don't even need the internet. It loads right into your computer. Now, if I take the video card off and put it back on, that's the trigger. So how about Zelda Zebra? And you can even take this video card and put it in the corner. As long as I can see a little bit of the card, you'll be able to see this video. And there's Zelda and her babies. And you can move this up closer. You can tilt it side to side if you want to. Here's Gertie Giraffe. Now let me show you a trick. You have a storage box in your kit that you can use, or you can use any type of box. But if you just put the card right on top, it gives it the height to make the picture bigger. So if you just want to leave it there, have story time, just hands-free, you can use this as a trick. So that's how you introduce your animals in their video habitat.